One double O got signed by breakfast. Fuck you, pay me. 3 bottles of vino, sat in my green room, but I'm on a mission like Katie. Side of the stage at Kamo, doing up shampoos, celebrate daily. I feel like Carly Rae Jepsen, when they want hits they call me. Maybe OG like Claude Makaleli, but I'm just 2-3, I'm a baby. I stepped in clean, it was 016, but the tunes that I dropped still pay me. SONGE to the R, same level as me, you're crazy. I got a lipstick stain on my necklace, but it matched my crepes, looks wavy. Can't stop gleaming, I'm beaming. Can't stop gleaming, can't stop gleaming, I'm beaming. Can't stop gleaming, can't stop gleaming, I'm beaming. Can't stop gleaming, can't stop gleaming. One double O got signed by breakfast. My girl's left wrist can't stop gleaming. I don't wanna hear about Netflix. I'm at Kamo set, I'm beaming. Beaming, 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 beaming. I'm at Kamo set, I'm beaming. Oh man, that's a fucking slapper. Again.